In this video, I'll show you how to change background color in Google Docs. If you want to make your document look more personalized or just easier on the eyes, you can change the background color in Google Docs in just a few steps. Google's official help says this is done through Page Setup, and on desktop it works in both Pages and Pageless formats. In Pages mode, you change page color. In Pageless mode, you update the background color. Let's start on a computer. Open your Google Docs file, then go to the top menu and click File. From there, choose Page Setup. At the top of the window, make sure you are on the format you want, either Pages or Pageless. Then look for the color setting. If you are using Pages, click Page Color. If you are using Pageless, you can update the document's background color there as well. Pick the color you want, then click OK to apply it. If you want all new documents to use that same color automatically, Google Docs also gives you a Set as Default option in Page Setup. That can save time if you often use the same style for notes, worksheets, or branded documents. Now let's look at Android. Open the Google Docs app and open your document. Tap the Edit button, then tap the More menu in the top right. After that, tap Page Setup, choose Page Color, and then select the color you want. Google's Android Help page lists page color as one of the available page setup options in the Docs app. One important thing to remember is that changing the page or background color affects the whole document layout, not just one word or one paragraph. If you only want to color a specific section of text, Google Docs has a separate highlight color tool for that on the toolbar. So that's how to change background color in Google Docs. Open File, go to Page Setup, choose your color, and apply it. On Android, open Page Setup from the menu and select Page Color. It's a quick way to give your document a cleaner or more customized look. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.